In this video you will learn about shaping commands, how they work and how to use them. When we select an element on the screen, the interactive property bar changes. So here I'm going to select the second element with my Shift key hold down, and now I have a series of shaping commands on the interactive bar. The first one is combine. Combine will take two elements, combine them together, and it will create a knockout with the overlap. Now one thing I should point to is that originally my objects were blue with a green outline and black with a red outline. The resulted object is black with a red outline. Let me do a Ctrl and Z to undo. I'm going to select this element first, and here is the key. Shift key hold down and select this element last. Click Combine again so the resulted object is based on the last object selected. Let me undo that. The next command on the interactive property bar is the Weld command. So the Weld command will act as you are welding two objects together to become one. So when I click this icon here, it's going to weld together. If I undo and change the selection, select this object first and this object second, then hit Weld. The resulted object is blue with a green outline. Now the next command is Trim command, and the Trim command will affect the last object selected. So click on this icon and you can see that the purple trimmed the yellow. Let me do an undo with Ctrl and Z. Next to the Trim command we have Intersect. So if I have select this object and select the purple and do the Intersect command, it will create a third object where the objects actually overlap. The next one is Simplify. I marquee select these three elements. I'll select Simplify and this acts as a cookie cutter. So if we take the ellipse, you can see that the ellipse had been cut the purple as well as the yellow. And if I move the yellow object out of the way, you can see the yellow cut the purple as well. Let me just do a couple of undos to put this back to their place. With everything selected, I'm going to select the Boundary tool. What the Boundary tool does, it's create an outline around the parameter of all objects selected. This is a very powerful command that used in quite a number of different scenarios where designers need to create an outline around an object, usually to create a cut line or simply to put a border around them. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or ideas, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.